Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Y'all smash the like button and show y'all support for the channel. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and smashing the like button also. And today we're gonna check out this Hot Wheels RC. We just had a Hot Wheels RC car on the channel, and it was the Roger Dodger. Pretty much the same thing, but this one is the Batmobile. So I thought this one was more cool, and so we're gonna check it out. I'm not going to do a full review on it. I'm just going to do an unboxing. Then we're probably going to do a running. And then I'm just going to give you my thoughts about this in comparison to the Roger Dodger. So we got the bat knife on deck. Probably not going to need this for much. We have an instructions manual here. Get the transmitter out. Last thing, we have the track. The track is a little reddish in comparison to the orange one from the Roger Dodger and normal Hot Wheels cars. And this is the Batmobile. This thing looks awesome. No lights, it looks like. Same transmitter, same deal pretty much, except for the logos there, the Batman logo there. And the car is a Batmobile. So check it out. Let you guys have a look at it. Looks awesome. Got the engine in the back there. Larger wheels in the rear, it looks like. Same power situation there. You have to charge it up with the transmitter. Yep. So let's get to running this guy so I can tell you guys how I feel about it. So for the most part, this thing is just identical to the Roger Dodger in the way it performs and all. It drives the same way, it does all the same things, had the same features. In fact, this transmitter can also bind up with the Roger Dodger. And so the Roger Dodger's transmitter is also compatible with that. And they're identical, except for this one is the Batmobile. And so it doesn't drive on the tracks, the little tracks that I created for my turbo racing 176 scale cars. You can't hit the corners and everything. It's not as precise. The only thing rubber on them is the rear wheels. The front wheels are actually just plastic. And so I guess you don't need them to be rubber, just because of the fact that the rear wheels are what's driving it. The rear wheels control the turns and the forward motion, the driving and all. They just spin a different direction to turn it. Unique concept, I guess, with these. It makes them kind of control like a tank. This guy is still just as fun as this one, and it has the added feature of being a Batman car, you know, a Batmobile. I think these might weigh the same thing. Let's see. This guy here, the Roger Dodger, is 21.6 grams. And the Batmobile is 22.2 grams. So a tiny bit heavier, a tad bit heavier, but it controls the same. Really can't tell the difference between these two when driving them. Although these don't drive well on the little tracks that I made, they're perfect for the Hot Wheels tracks. The little tracks that you have for your Hot Wheels cars that you put together. I found a bunch of those at the dollar store, so I picked up a few of them. Not a whole full track, but I just picked up enough to make a loop and, you know, an entrance and an exit. And this thing works perfectly for it. When you hit this little turbo button here, it actually builds up enough speed to do the loops easily. And so these things actually work well on Hot Wheels tracks. So if that's your thing, Hot Wheels tracks and all of that, you don't need the launcher for these guys. These guys are fast enough to race around the Hot Wheels tracks. And if you make a complete closed Hot Wheels track, you can ride this thing around and do the loops and all and completely drive around the track. So that's pretty awesome. If you love that thing, you're going to love this even more. It's the Batmobile. from Hot Wheels, but an RC car. Fully proportional. Thanks for watching.